all units. Attention all units. Numerous complaints are being received about a speeding vehicle. The suspect was last seen heading northbound on Highway 2